Fix a feature unavailable error in the HP Smart App for Android phones and tablets. If you are using the HP Smart App to scan from an Android device and you encounter a feature unavailable message, follow these steps to fix the issue. After each step shown in this video, try to scan again. If the issue persists, move on to the next step. Step 1. Reset the printer. Resetting the printer clears the memory and helps recover from errors or failures. Press the power button to turn off the printer. If the printer does not turn off, disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Connect the power cord directly to a wall outlet and then connect the other end to the printer. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. Step 2. Check the printer status in the HP Smart App. Checking the printer connection status can show if there is a connection error occurring. Open the HP Smart App, and then make sure you are signed into your account. An account is required to access all printer features and settings. If you have multiple printers connected, scroll to your printer and check the printer status icon next to the printer image. It might take a few minutes before the app displays the current printer status. A green circle icon indicates that your printer is connected to your Android and ready to print. A green cloud icon indicates that your printer is connected to your Android over the internet because they are on different network connections. Only remote features are available, such as the Print Anywhere feature and certain printer settings. To access all printer functions, make sure your Android and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. An orange cloud icon indicates that your HP Plus printer is connected to your device with a USB-only connection, and the printer functionality is limited. To restore HP Plus or Instant Ink services, disconnect the USB cable, and then reconnect the printer to the internet. You might need to remove your printer from the HP Smart App, and then set it up again over the internet. Note: HP Plus and Instant Ink enrolled printers must maintain an internet connection. Disconnecting the printer from the internet or using a USB-only connection can prevent the printer from functioning properly. A black circle icon indicates that your printer is not connected to your Android. To reconnect the printer, make sure the Wi-Fi icon is solid blue on the printer control panel. A yellow triangle icon or a red circle icon indicates that your printer is connected to your device, but it needs attention before it can print. For example, the message might say align the printheads, out of paper, or printer door open. Once the maintenance is completed, the icon will refresh. If you want to recheck the printer connection status, tap the image of your printer. The status is displayed at the top of the screen. Drag down to refresh. Step 3. Re-add the printer to the HP Smart App. Removing then re-adding the printer in the HP Smart App can fix connection issues. Make sure the printer is connected to the same network as your Android. Close then reopen the HP Smart App. On the app home screen, long press the printer icon, and then tap Hide Printer. Tap Hide Printer again to confirm. On the app home screen, tap Add Printer or the plus sign, and then follow the prompts to re-add the printer. Step 4. Clear the HP Smart App cache. Removing temporary files in the Android setting menu for the HP Smart App, and then re-adding the printer to the app, can fix printer errors. On your Android, open the Settings menu. Scroll to or search for apps and select it. Find and select HP Smart in the list. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary app files. For some Androids, you might have to tap Storage first and then Clear Cache. After the cache is cleared, tap the option to clear data to delete all app data. Open the HP Smart App, and then sign into your HP Smart account. On the app home screen, tap Add Printer. follow the prompts in HP Smart to re-add the printer to the app. If none of the steps in this video have worked to resolve your issue, contact HP customer support at support.hp.com/contact for further assistance.